Alright guys, here's a new thing that I'm seeing is watermelon fries. So I'm going to show you how to make it with Pampered Chef's Crinkle Cutter, which just came back this season. So I'm super excited about it. But first we're going to go ahead and we're going to try and cut off as much of that green that we can of our watermelon.
Alright, this way.
These obviously, apparently some people like eating that green, but I personally...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So I'm going to go ahead and trim that off the best we can.
Yep.
Are we going to clean the base? No.
We're going to get the best we can. Get some of that white stuff off too.
You laugh. You make a big waffle?
Oh yeah,
Alright. I think we're good. We'll just trim the top off a little bit here. Alright, perfect. So now that we got that all trimmed, let me just move this stuff out of the way. Put it in my scrap bowl here. We're going to slice this watermelon up into slices. So working with the angle of the watermelon, you want to try and get the same thickness that you can. Alright, now that that's cut up, we're going to take 2 slices at a time and see how this actually works. Right. One second. There we go.
It is, huh? And you're sure it's all yours? Yeah.
Alright, so we have our crinkle cutter here. And I have my sliced watermelon. And look at that, you got watermelon fries, guys, with the crinkle cutter from Pampered Chef. And you can slice a whole watermelon like that. So it'll add some fun to your summer. You could probably do this with any type of melon that you wanted to. But here you go, watermelon fries, guys. I hope you guys enjoy.